baby. Hit it.
Hello mga beshies, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. So for today's video, we're gonna head to the club, a British club here in Abu Dhabi. Me and my beshi Rosie will come there to swim and just to enjoy the amenities and facilities there because she has access, like a free access given to her by her teacher. So we're heading there, and now I'm gonna use my iPhone there because I don't want to use the DJI because maybe there will be problems or maybe I'll drop it there. So it's better to be safe than sorry. So let's go mga beshies and enjoy the day. Here now at the club with Rosie. Hi Rosie.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
What's up, people?
Too much energy.
Lagyan mo dun saan?
We got our towel voucher, mga beshies.
I have a
Hello.
special guest now. Before I'm guest,
Mr.
now I
Innocent.
Now you have it.
have a guest.
You see it?
Huh?
Tell.
Oh.
Can you give us the towels?
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is the beach side, mga beshies. So may chair and umbrellas there.
Good morning.
This is the view. Good morning. Good. How are you? Beautiful side. 1, 2, 3, go. Hi, Rosie. Wow.
So cold, the water.
Wow, so sexy. Kids pool. There's ice cream here. Yummers. There is a bar here. There's a buffet here where there is a coffee station and food until 12 o'clock. Till lunch. I think this is a breakfast. These are their menu. They have live egg station and pork bacon as well, and sausage. Ano ba to? Ito pala besyo, there's lockers in here. And then the shower area, changing room area.
Ito yung sauna, ito yung steam. So, kung gusto niyo pong mag-steam, i-on nyo na lang. Okay. Tapos, maybe within 5 minutes lalabas siya. So, pagkatapos nyo.
Okay, thank you.
Naka-on na yun.
Okay, thank you. Cutie. Looks like Philippines, no besh? Bamboo eme. Cutie. We're gonna check out the menu in here.
Later you bring the order.
This is like their alcohol menu. Akala ko food na yun, besh. This is their bar. Always open. The bar. This is the wharf. Wharf. Wow, so colorful here. Beautiful. We're here on the first floor. I don't know which restaurant is this, but they have al fresco dining. Oh, it's so beautiful in here, so naturey. They have a tennis court in here as well. Then there are parkings here. This side, it's the highway.
I want to swim.
Pato. Mapagandahan na naman dyan. Hinihintay mo na naman yung pantawid gutom.
Ellen, come on.
Hi, mga beshies. Beshi! Ganda.
Hey! I'm covering my ears.
So we're just having a relaxing time here along the beach. And we're gonna swim a bit in a bit. Let's go! This is their menu. But it will be available by 12 o'clock. They have alcohol. Where's the food? These are the food. Ito yung besyo. Sandwiches, main course, and what is this? Potato. Go.
Hello, hello mga beshi. Welcome to the club with Kristen.
Yeah! Yeah, look at the view. It's so stunning. It's now 11 a.m. in the morning and we're just gonna have a morning dip here. Let's go. Hello, hello mga beshies. So we're here now at the pool bar and we ordered some food. We ordered calamari, french fries, and wings and iced tea as well. So look at the view. Say hi, Beshi.
Hello, hello mga beshi. We're waiting for our food.
Yeah, we're starving already.
Spell starving. Spell discreet.
Yeah, so we're gonna wait for our food and I'll show you guys later. So we got our iced tea now. Wow. Yours is peach, right? Akin yung lemon pala, Beshi.
Where's the peach?
I think this one is the lemon because it has lemon wedge. Oh. Thank you for taking my straw.
We have meron tayong ano ngayon. Wala naman kaya nila kung sino mga nakabuffet.
Parang may plano ka, Besh, ah. Yung mga ano.
Napatalsik na tayo dito.
Our food is served. So we have the chicken wings. Ano tong Beshi? Fries?
Rice.
We have the fries and what's this? The calamari. Yummers! Let's enjoy mga beshies! This is like their cycling class. So there's more gym equipment here on this side. And hello, Beshi. Let's go. Now here it says, and we're looking on the menu. We're gonna have some drinks here. They have food as well here.
funky.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.